Nice seeing you.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Brilliant.
All good.
Yes, good to meet you again.
Yeah, sure. Well,
So, tell me a little bit about what you're doing here, why you're attending the show, and what you're looking to get out of it.
absolutely. Well, we as Castrol, this is the fourth year in a row that we are attending DCW London. This is one of the most important events for data centers across EMEA, I would say. And well, we are here to basically showcase the liquid cooling products and technologies that we can support going forward. This is a very interesting topic for the data center industry, and we are here basically to talk and basically support partnerships as like the one that we have with Unico.
Brilliant, yeah. And again, for us, this is a very valuable ability to talk to both yourselves and end customers and the different partners and the different vendors and talk about the requirements for liquid cooling. So maybe if you tell us a little bit more about the what you're doing around the liquid side of things and like where the future is going for you.
Sure. So, well, I would like to start by saying that we are in a journey of basically addressing all the potential needs with regards to liquid cooling in the data center industry. So the first thing that we did was to launch a dedicated portfolio to support immersion cooling with two products, Castrol on immersion cooling fluid DC20 and DC15 to address different customer needs. But then we realized very quickly that the technology was evolving in such a way that customers will be also adopting direct to chip as a very, very promising technology. And what we did was to bring a portfolio of products, basically water-based coolant, to support that technology as well. And well, I know that Unicom is also very, very strong in liquid cooling. So what's your main objective and how you are addressing the liquid cooling needs from your customers?
Yeah, so obviously we're working with all the various different hardware manufacturers to customize the systems and make sure the systems are effectively redesigned from the motherboard upwards to support like liquid cooling, such as yourselves. So that we're doing that in our main Plano facility in the US, but we've also opened a new facility in Galway in Ireland to service the EMEA area. And we're working with the various different manufacturers to ensure that we look at signal integrity. We look at the ability to manage the solutions, remove the fans, remove some of the plastics, optimize the system so that, from a tier one hardware perspective, the system will operate at least the same, if not better. And in many cases, it will operate a lot better in liquid cooling. So we're doing a lot of work around that. And then obviously we're doing the second touch on the services. We're doing the maintenance. So we're pulling together that whole ecosystem of capability to support organizations like yourself who are doing the cooling. And then our other partners that do the actual, the cold plates or the tanks and so on and so forth like that. So
this is very, very interesting. And I see how we can work together very well. Because, well, we are coming from the angle of fluid experts. So we can support by making sure that each of the components that are in touch with the fluids, they are fully compatible, that there is not going to be any technical issue when commissioning, implementing the liquid cooling system. So this is why companies like Unicom and Castrol, we are partnering and we are working together. Because, well, by collaborating, we can bring final solutions, end-to-end solutions to the customers. Exactly, so that's what was great in a partnership, isn't it?
And we see all these myths floating around, give the pun, where, customers first off think it's water, which is not. But then they also think from a hardware point of view, you can just immerse a server, dump a server in, it'll work. So again, there's a lot of work that we do, again, on our side to make sure that the system will work efficiently in a liquid environment. But from your side, what are some of the myths here? I think this side.
Similar to yours. I mean, people, especially at the beginning, they are a bit scared of using liquids in the data center hall. They are not used to it. They don't know how to operate it. But then by training, by understanding how the technology works, they are getting there and they see what are the key benefits of adopting liquid cooling, energy efficiency, being able to run high density workloads, which is something that they cannot do with existing air cooling systems. So all of that is basically, driving this technology and driving the adoption of it. So yes, I think that this is quite clear for us as well.
Yeah.
Needs are needs, but we are here to work together basically to overcome those needs.
And also, like, we're seeing like a lot of the use cases. So where's that heat going to go?
Yeah.
So is it district heating? Is it for heating the hot water in a building or whatever? Like, there seems to be a whole new industry and a lot more talk about where like our heat from the hardware and the liquid is being used. So there's a huge amount of interesting conversations happening at the show.
100%. Heat reuse is one of the most promising, let's say, ways to even improve further the efficiency of the liquid cooling systems. And again, understanding, how the data center industry can collaborate with other facilities, other entities to make the most out of it, it will be crucial. So it requires a global effort, not only of the industry itself, but also, governments, regulators, just to facilitate adoption of such a promising technology.
Well, great to meet you.
Nice talk.
Indeed, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.